Children, this competency-based question from trigonometry. Let us have a look. Triangle PQR is inscribed in a circle with center O and radius R. So let's say I enlarge the figure to the right and just marking the radius. PR is the diameter. So that means naturally O is the center. I've marked the radius. The length of the PR will be 2R. And angle RQO is beta. RQO is beta. Now, if I just look at the triangle, QOR. So if this side is R, this side is R. So basically, this is a triangle in which two sides are equal. It's an isosceles triangle. So this angle will also be beta, angle opposite to equal sides. Why this is important, you will get to know in the next step. Now, PQR, if you look at the angle PQR from the 9th grade, angle PQR will be 90 degree because this is angle in a semicircle. This is angle in a semicircle. Now, why I need all this? Because I need to express QR to the power 4 and minus PQ to the power 4 in terms of R and beta to the simplest form. So I need to write the lengths of the sides. So I will need a right angle triangle. I will have to use trigonometry here. So I did identify my right angle triangle this way. So angle PQR is 90 and now this angle is beta. So rather than using this as beta, I'll use this right angle triangle because this beta does not have any right angle triangle. If you use this beta, we don't have a right angle triangle where we can use it. So rather what we will do, this, we have got the right angle triangle, we have got beta. RQ will act as a base opposite to beta. Angle beta is the perpendicular. So PQ will act as a perpendicular and hypotenuse remains the longest side. So now if so remember I need the lengths QR and PQ. So QR and PQ I need. So for that, let's say if I apply cos beta here, what will I get? I will get QR by PR, base by hypotenuse. And PR is nothing. PR is 2R here, R plus R. So can I say that QR is equal to 2R cos beta? So I have identified what will be the length of QR here. Similarly, if I apply sine beta in the same triangle, I'll get perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is PQ by PR. PR is again 2R. So can I not say this that PQ is equal to 2R sine beta? So far we did well. We identified both QR and PQ. Now the matter is just about simplifying this to the best. So first I'll apply a square minus b square immediately to make my work easy. QR square minus PQ square. Now instead of QR square, I can write what is QR? 2R cos beta. So I will write it as 4R square cos square beta. Similarly, PQ square is 4R square sine square beta. Similarly, here the same thing, but with the minus sign. Cos square beta minus 4R square sine square beta. Now we can take 4R square common from the first bracket to get cos square beta plus sine square beta. Similarly, from the second bracket also 4R square common, cos square beta minus sine square beta. So this gives multiplying 4R square and 4R square 16R to the power 4, and we know that cos square beta plus sine square beta is 1. That's a very important identity. And then we are left with cos square beta minus sine square beta. So now basically we get 16r to the power 4 cos square beta minus sine square beta. So this is our simplified form of what was asked in the question QR⁴ minus PQ⁴ in terms of r and beta. Children, you can further simplify it, although this is correct, but if needed, we can also use the same identity sine square beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1. And we can use sine square beta as 1 minus cos square beta. Or we can also use cos square beta is equal to 1 minus sine square beta. Either way. So let's say first, if I substitute cos square beta as 1 minus sine square beta, so I will get this as 16r⁴ into 1 minus 2 sine square beta. So the same thing can be written as this format as well. Also, if I want to now, instead of cos square beta, if I want to substitute for sine square beta, so I can write it as 1 minus cos square beta. So minus 1, this minus cos square beta. So this will become plus cos square beta. So this becomes 16r⁴, 2 cos square beta minus 1. So this is the detailed explanation of this competency-based question. Thank you so much. If there is anything further, please do mention in the comment section. Thank you so much.